What is up, guys? It's Exceed Mystery here, from Exceed Gaming, which is the brand new, spanking new, said new twice, whatever, the brand new channel name for my used to be channel called Ignite the Fire. Um, if you're wondering why I changed this name, it's not because of, I didn't like the name Ignite the Fire anymore. It's not at all the reasons why. That wouldn't even make sense. But it's actually because that my new clan, which is Exceed, is pretty much starting, and I'm excited. I'm really excited about it. So I'm excited that I'll go ahead and make this new, well, not new, but the old channel into Exceed Gaming channel, so I don't have to start anew, and that would help me out, spectacularly. But right now I'm playing Destiny. Just to have a little quick update, but Destiny, you guys, is an alright game. It has a little bit of repetitivity problems, as some people have probably already figured out, and if you've been watching anything about Destiny, then you've also figured out as well. I might be at level 22. I see that. Yeah, maybe I just play too much. I don't know. But yeah, I'm doing pretty good at this game. I'm actually pretty good. So I mean, I'm not mad at the game, but I think it was just a little bit less than what everybody was expecting from the hype, with no games coming in from this gap between last and now for the new gen. But yeah, so this is an alright game, but I'm just playing this right now at it's about 12:30 in the morning, and I wanted to get a quick update video out to you guys, basically explaining Exceed Gaming, how we're going to be doing stuff, and actually make sure you guys know that a podcast will be soon up and going. I'm going to do it like maybe every week with my 4 pals inside the Exceed Gaming right now. Of course, we'll gain new members and we'll lose members probably. Of course, I don't want to lose members, but I'm sure it'll happen. But it doesn't matter. We're gonna have fun either way. But we're inside this week's podcast. I don't know when this is gonna go up. Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday, or Friday. I have no idea. It might just come out on a weekend. It might just be the thing that I upload on the weekends. I don't know yet. But the first week will be on, first of all, Destiny the game, where all all of us have inside the clan right now have played Destiny. One does not have it, but has played it, and so everybody's gonna give their opinions on that. Then we're gonna have sports games, talking FIFA 15, Madden 15, NBA 2K15, NBA 2K15, and 15 haven't gone out yet at the moment as I'm saying this video, but we're gonna talk about is it something that you need to buy every year, or is repetitivity just too much? Um, what else we're going to talk about is going to be GTA 5 on the next gen. Is it really worth your money? We're going to hear everybody's opinions on that, because, I mean, that's such a diverse opinion that everybody has to put in something on it, just so everybody gets their own little opinion from you guys, because I'm sure you have the same opinion as my fellow clanmates as well. So that's the thing that we're going to be definitely doing. Then we're gonna have our recap, and the recap is just on the gaming or companies, anything that's happened in the past week, and we can talk about Sony, we can talk about Microsoft, we can talk about any kind of game that's really up new and coming that nobody's really been paying attention to, but is really gonna like show out or something. Any of those above, or something that we're gonna try to do every week. I'm hoping to do every week. I might put some more videos up like this where I'm just commentating on gameplay that I just randomly playing. I just came from Crucible and I did a level 20 strike, so I'm kind of tired right now. I got school tomorrow, so I mean, hey. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys for watching. Please stay with Exceed Gaming channel, because it's gonna be better than my old channel, I'm hoping. Schedules and stuff, and I'm gonna actually take it serious and blah blah blah. And I'm actually going to give you guys some videos that you've been looking for. So, yeah, please stay tuned. One question I do have, though, for you guys in the comments or anybody watching, if you just say, if you want to see a podcast where it's just to chat ourselves and talking, then just tell me, let me know. But if you are one of the people that has to watch something while the podcast is going on, so just like any type of gameplay going on in the background while we're talking, let me know that way as well. I don't know which side I'm kind of leaning to. I'm leaning to just doing the private chat and just showing you that part, and you just having to listen to it. But I can sway either way. So if you will, please leave feedback on that. Um, Thank you guys. It's been Ignite the Fire. Um, I guess I'll see you guys later on when this podcast comes up. So stay tuned. Peace.